Hey guys. Oh, it's a little shaky. I hope it stops. I'm in my car, our new car. We got a extra car for our family, and it's a cute little Mazda. I had to turn on the AC because it's so hot. I mean, I had to turn it off because it's so loud. Not hot. It is very hot. Today, I thought I'd take you guys on a little trip with me today. I plan on going to Ross Tuesday morning. What was the other one? TJ Maxx, and then maybe Michael's, because I haven't been back since I saw just the wreath stuff was out. So I hope you enjoy coming along with me. We're currently at my house in my driveway, and my camera's this way, so that the camera's gonna be a little funky because I don't really feel like taking my big camera with me, my actual nice camera, because I don't have tint on this car yet, and I don't really have a place to hide it in here. So because I will be vlogging in store with my phone, so I was like, there's just no point in me taking it right now. So everything's gonna be done on my phone today. So if the video footage is a little weird, a little low quality, I apologize ahead of time. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get driving. So, you know what you do first? You know what you do first? You buckle up. That's key right there. It's buckling up. See what we can find in here. Goodness, I hope you can hear me. I hope this is not shaking too much. I also hope nobody sees me doing this, because this is very unnatural for me. I showed a little bit in there. I'm going to try this down a little bit. I showed you a little bit in there, but it was so busy that I kind of didn't stay very long. And I also, I don't know, I got a couple my outfits, got a couple pieces of clothing. I didn't get any of the Halloween stuff. It was really cute, but I wasn't super interested in it, so okay, I made it to Tuesday morning on, oddly enough, a Tuesday morning, which is freaking hilarious to me. This is still bouncing. I wish I had something a little bit more stable. Later on I'll get a better thing. So Tuesday morning, that's where we're going. We'll see what they have in here. I haven't seen a whole lot of people post about in here. Maybe there'll be some things, I'm not sure. I'm also like looking around, is anybody watching me do this? I feel so subconscious doing this. I don't know, and the more I move, the more this shakes. I am so sorry. So I'm gonna jump in here, or jump all the way into the store. I'm gonna go in here and then see what I can find. Freaking cute is that? Okay, so I just got done Tuesday morning, and I bought these apple cider cookie thins. I'm a little hungry, so that could be part of the reason why I bought them. And you're just gonna have to hopefully ignore my AC. I hope they're good, because I'm breaking my diet for these. They're not bad. It's kind of like an applesauce cookie. That's what it reminds me of. With a little bit of a spice to it. It's good. Ooh, the end of it's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx now. I'm trying to think if there's anything else on this side of town that I can go to first, because I'm trying to make it all in one row. I did want to go to Dollar Tree, but I also don't want to go to Dollar Tree because I've been so much, and I know if I go in there I'm going to spend at least $20, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go to TJ Maxx because I have free $10. Let's go! Find a whole lot at TJ Maxx of Halloween. Not a little bit, but they were putting it out, and there was a bunch of ladies in there hovering around all the fall stuff, and so I was just like, I'm not gonna be one of those people, so I just kind of backed out. I have some clips of what I found in TJ Maxx, but not much. Mostly what I got today was clothes and candy. So, I don't know, maybe I'll just find fall Halloween things later that I actually, like, want. I didn't really purchase anything fall-y things today, except for I got a dog toy that's a pumpkin for my puppies. But that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me for my drive around vlog, shop with me, whatever. I've never done one of these, so it was very weird for me, and I got a little bit more like ballsy, I guess, as the day went on with filming in front of people, because it was the checkout line at TJ Maxx, and I ended up filming right then in front of people, and I was just like, you know what, screw it. Who cares? I'm still trying real hard to be in a who cares moment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up and that bell for notifications, because you never know when I'm going to post. I hope you guys, again, have a wonderful day. Bye!